Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do higher kickflips. So, I'm so sorry I have not been posting in a while. That's only because it was winter and I didn't feel like going out and making a video. So, now today, I'm finally back making more videos to help you guys progress in skateboarding. So, let's get on with the video. So guys, the foot positioning for a regular kickflip is right about there, and the back foot right on the middle. So so the center of gravity is like right there. Okay? So you can balance out real good. So that's what it look like. Or mine look like. And if you want to get your kickflips higher, all you want to do is move your foot back a little bit and move your foot more onto the board. This way, it's going to be flipping slower, and you'll be going higher. So, if you don't know how to do a kickflip, all you gotta do is pop down with the center of your toes, right there, the center. Don't use the whole foot. You could use your whole foot, but I use the center of my foot. And you pop down, right? And then, when you're up here, you want to slide and flick out. I kind of just like kick and just go, but I'm kind of like relaxed about it, so don't be too aggressive and you'll land your kickflips real clean. So just go like this, look out. See the marks on my board. Where all I've been kicking, it's mostly right here. This is where you want to kick. When you pop down, make sure you bend that leg, the back leg. This. When you jump, you want to go like this. Okay. Now guys, I'm going to be showing you what that looks like. So guys, that is about it for this video. I hope you like it. I hope you learn from it. I tried to teach you as much as I could in this video, as much as I can think of. And all I can say is you guys are great. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, and comment what you think. So until next time, bye.